BlockDAG declares its Tier 1 status with latest Inter Milan partnership inside Notcoin's DIP and Crypto.com's UEFA deal. BlockDAG, a rising star in the blockchain technology sector, has solidified its status as a Tier 1 player with its latest partnership with Italian football giants, Inter Milan. This strategic move comes as part of BlockDAG's broader plan to establish itself as a dominant force in the crypto and sports industries, marking a significant milestone for the company. BlockDAG's strategic partnership with Inter Milan. The partnership with Inter Milan is a bold statement of intent from BlockDAG, signaling its readiness to compete at the highest levels. Inter Milan, one of the most prestigious football clubs globally, is known for its rich history and massive fan base. By aligning itself with such a well-known brand, BlockDAG aims to enhance its visibility and credibility in the highly competitive blockchain market. This collaboration will likely include branding opportunities, digital fan engagement initiatives, and possibly exclusive blockchain-based products or services for Inter Milan fans. The partnership not only cements BlockDAG's reputation, but also places it in the same league as other major crypto players who have forged similar alliances with top-tier sports entities. Tashed, Notcoin's market struggles. While BlockDAG is riding high on its new partnership, Notcoin, another cryptocurrency that was once a promising contender in the market, is facing challenges. Notcoin has recently experienced a significant dip in value, leaving investors concerned about its future. The dip is attributed to a combination of factors, including increased competition, lack of major partnerships, and overall market volatility. The contrast between BlockDAG's upward trajectory and Notcoin's decline highlights the importance of strategic partnerships in the crypto world. Investors are increasingly looking for cryptos that are not only technologically sound, but also have strong brand affiliations and real-world applications. Notcoin's current struggles underscore the risks faced by cryptocurrencies that fail to secure such partnerships. Crypto.com's UEFA deal. Another major move in crypto sponsorship. In another significant development in the crypto sports arena, Crypto.com has secured a major deal with UEFA, the governing body of European football. This partnership further strengthens Crypto.com's position as a leading cryptocurrency platform and underscores the growing trend of crypto companies investing heavily in sports sponsorships. The UEFA deal will see Crypto.com's branding prominently displayed during UEFA's flagship tournaments, including the Champions League. This is a huge visibility boost for the platform, potentially reaching millions of football fans across Europe and beyond. It also highlights Crypto.com's commitment to becoming a household name, not just in the crypto space, but also in mainstream finance. Tashed, the broader implications for the crypto.